For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video to more easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. In the fast-evolving world of entrepreneurship, writing a strong business plan is crucial, but it doesn't have to be daunting. With the rise of artificial intelligence, AI, you now have access to powerful tools that can simplify, accelerate, and enhance the business planning process. Whether you're starting a small business, launching a tech startup, or pitching to investors, using AI can save time, boost creativity, and improve clarity. This step-by-step guide shows you how to write a comprehensive business plan using AI, from concept to completion. Step 1. Define your business idea clearly. Before using AI, you must understand your business idea inside and out. Tasks. Describe your product or service. Identify your target market. Clarify your value proposition. Understand your revenue model. How AI helps. Use AI tools like ChatGPT, Notion AI, or Jasper to help you brainstorm and structure your idea. Prompt examples. Help me define a business idea for a vegan meal delivery service targeting busy professionals. Summarize my business concept for a pitch deck. We sell eco-friendly gym apparel made from recycled plastic. These tools can suggest improvements, identify gaps, and even help you write an elevator pitch. Step 2. Choose a business plan format. Business plans can vary. Lean canvases, traditional detail plans, or startup pitch decks. Choose the format based on your needs. Options. Traditional plan includes executive summary, company description, market analysis, marketing plan, operations, and financials. Lean startup plan, one-page overview for internal use. Pitch deck, visual presentation for investors. How AI helps. Ask AI to generate templates for different formats. Give me a traditional business plan outline for a coffee shop. What should be included in a lean business plan for a SaaS startup? Step 3. Write the executive summary. This section summarizes your business plan and is often written last, but AI can help you draft a first version. What to include? Company name, location, and mission. Product/service overview. Summary of financial highlights. Funding requirements. How AI helps. Provide your core business idea and ask. Write an executive summary for an app that connects freelance tutors with students worldwide. Edit the output to match your tone and add real data. Step 4. Describe your company. Explain who you are, what you do, and what you plan to achieve. Include legal structure, LLC, corporation, etc. A business history and milestones. Mission and vision statements. A business location and facilities. How AI helps. Prompt. Create a company description for a new digital marketing agency specializing in small business growth. Use the response as a starting point and personalize it. Step 5. Conduct market research. Market research supports your understanding of the industry, customers, and competitors. What you need. Industry overview and trends. Target market demographics and behavior. Competitive landscape. Market size and growth potential. How AI helps. AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude can summarize industry reports and customer segments. Use prompt. Summarize current trends in the electric bike market in the US. Who are the main competitors in the online fitness coaching space? For up-to-date stats, combine AI with tools like Statista, Google Trends, or web plugins in ChatGPT+. Step 6. Outline your organization and team. Show who's running the business and why they're capable. Include organizational structure, a bios and experience of key team members, roles and responsibilities, a gaps in expertise and how you'll address them. How AI helps. Prompt examples. Write a founder bio for someone with 10 years in retail who is starting an e-commerce clothing brand. What roles should a tech startup team include? Step 7. Detail your product or service. This is where you explain what you're selling and how it benefits your customers. Include description of your product/service, pricing model, a life cycle, and future development, intellectual property or R&D, if applicable. How AI helps. You can generate content and suggestions like Describe a premium subscription model for a mental health mobile app. Create a product description for an AI-powered chatbot for e-commerce websites. This helps you articulate your offering clearly and professionally. Step 8. Develop a marketing and sales strategy. Explain how you'll attract and retain customers. Include marketing channels, digital, print, PR, etc. Customer acquisition strategy. Sales funnel and tactics. Partnerships and pricing. How AI helps. Use prompts such as outline a digital marketing strategy for a subscription box service. How can new pet grooming business get its first 100 customers? AI can also help write ads, social media posts, and email campaigns. Step 9. Create an operations plan. This describes the logistics of how your business works. Include a location, equipment, and technology. Production process, if applicable. Supply chain management. Inventory and fulfillment. How AI helps. Prompt. Describe the operations plan for a home-based bakery business. What logistics should an e-commerce clothing startup consider? You can also get checklists or SOP, standard operating procedure, templates. Step 10. Build financial projections. This is one of the most critical parts. Use real data and informed assumptions. Include sales forecasts, income statements, cash flow projections, break-even analysis. How AI helps. While AI can't replace a professional accountant, it can guide and structure your work. What are the basic financial projections to include in a business plan? Create a simple 12-month revenue forecast template for a subscription-based software company. Tools like LivePlan, Excel with ChatGPT plugins, or Causal.app can further assist with visuals and dynamic modeling. Step 11. Request funding, if applicable. Explain how much money you need, how you'll use it, and your expected return. Include amount requested, use of funds, timeline, exit strategy for investors. How AI helps. Prompt. Write a funding request section for a $100,000 seed round for a meal prep delivery service. AI can help make your ask clearer and more persuasive. Step 12. Review and refine. AI is great at editing, formatting, and polishing language. Tasks. Check for grammar, tone, and consistency. Simplify complex sections. Make sure it flows logically. How AI helps. Use AI for proofreading and formatting suggestions. Review this business plan and suggest edits for clarity and flow. Rewrite this section in a more formal tone. You can also use grammar tools like Grammarly integrated into writing apps. Final thoughts. Writing a business plan can feel overwhelming, but with AI, it's easier than ever to get started, stay organized, and polish your ideas. From generating content to summarizing research and projecting financials, AI supports every step. That said, remember, AI is a tool, not a substitute for your expertise. Always fact-check, personalize, and ensure your final plan reflects your unique vision. With this AI-assisted process, you'll be equipped to create a business plan that not only looks professional, but also inspires confidence in partners, investors, and yourself.